So let's explore some consecutive integer problems. So these can sometimes trip students up, so it's really important is understanding what consecutive integers are. And they'll typically say in your problem consecutive, in this case they're odd integers. The second problem, consecutive, in that case integers. So consecutive integers are one number after another. So if we look at an example, before we even do the problem, 5, 6, and 7 are consecutive integers. 1, 2, and 3 are consecutive integers. Conceptually, what we're doing is we don't know what the first number is, so we can write that as x. The next number would be x plus 1. The number after that would be x plus 2. So this is how you do consecutive integers. Now, for some problems, hint, hint, wink, wink, this one is asking specifically for odd numbers. So you do the same thing. You find an example. 5, 7, and 9 are all odd consecutive integers. 21, 23, 25 are odd integers. So when you're looking for consecutive odd or even, because the same thing will work for both cases. The first number we don't know what that is, but the second number gets skipped. So if you're counting odds, you're skipping an even and going to the next odd. So we write that as x plus 2 because we're skip counting. The third number would be x plus 4, and then you would keep going in that direction. So it's words. Depending on what they're asking, that tells you which way you're going. So this problem, now that we can start doing the problem, the sum of 3 consecutive odd integers is 159. So because they're odd, I have 1, 2, 3 integers I'm adding. That's going to give me 159. Since they're odd, I'm using what I wrote in red. So x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. So I can, now that it's set up, all we have to do is solve it. So this is just straight up 3x plus 6. We subtract the 6, 153, and x equals 51. The integers, find the integers, not x. So the integers are 51. The next consecutive odd integer, 51 plus 2, which is 53, and then 55. That would be your answer. Those are your 3 consecutive odd integers. So we'll do another problem that are just going to be consecutive integers. So we're going to use what's up here in orange because we're not skip counting. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 138. So 1, 2, 3 numbers, they're going to add to give us 138 because they're not even or odd. The first number, the second number is going to be 1 more than that, and the next one's going to be 1 more than that. And now it's the same math. We're adding and solving. 3x plus 3. 3x equals 135. We divide by 3. And x is 45. So again, we're finding the integers. If 45 is the first number, the next number would be 46. And the third number would be 47. And you can always add these 3 up and just make sure that you get 138 as a check. And that's how you do problems with consecutive integers.